LJIP E-Practical Series. Myself Prachi Joshi from Department of Pharmaceutical Technology. So today we'll be learning about the study of bacterial motility by hanging drop method. So now let us see the principle of it. So the principle is, it's a special type of wet drop to observe the motility of bacteria with the help of microscope, and this is because of it has the flagella structure in the bacteria. Now the first thing what you have to see here is that the motility is two types, that is passive drifting, which is like conventional drifting, and next is the Brownian movement. Now Brownian movement is the oscillating movement. It has a fixed point of movement, and that you have to basically observe. Now what you have to do here is you have to take a depression slide, and you have to take a cover slip, and on the four corners you have to take petroleum jelly or any other sticky material which can seal it to prevent the evaporation of the specimen. Okay, now this is a specimen droplet. Now the cover slip is inverted on the depression slide and placed with the pressure so that this petroleum jelly can stick on the depression slide. Now the name here gives hanging drop method. Now why this name is given? The name is given because this drop is hanging upside down and the movement will be observed very clearly into this. Now not only motility, shape and size can also be observed with this method, but it is rarely used for that. But basic method is only for motility, to observe the motility of the bacteria. Now it is majorly used in the case of diagnosis of Vibrio cholera from the rice watery stools. Now the procedure and the practical will be explained by Ms. Sheetal Trivedi. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So I am going to show you how to perform hanging drop technique. So to perform this technique, a very simple requirement, we required culture medium. So that might contain motile or non-motile microorganisms, and very special type of glass slide we required, which is having the cavity in center. We call it as a groove slide. So the slide with concavity and a square type of cover slip. We can use loop to transfer the culture from its source to the cover slip, that is with the help of chrome wire loop. We can also use the micropipette, that is to transfer the small amount of the culture that can form the drop over the cover slip. And this kind of arrangement that is required for the transfer of culture aseptically, that is area between two burner. We required paraffin, that is to stick the cover slip with the glass slide. So we will see how to use it, and the IPA cotton ball, that is to wipe the area to make it clean. Okay, first of all we will clean this surface area between two flame by rubbing the cotton dipped into IPA, that is disinfectant. After use, put it into the waste collection beaker and sterilize with the flames, that is called flame sterilization. Okay, first of all, okay, we need to take clean glass slide, that is special glass slide, that is with the cavity. We can mark to indicate the groove part. So here I have marked it with G. So this is the cavity part. We have to use clean cover slip. Now we are going to transfer the culture over this cover slip. Okay, first we will transfer petroleum jelly to the four corners of cover slip. So like this you can put jelly over the four corners. Okay, keep the central area free from this jelly. Now we will transfer culture to the center part of the cover slip, and that is aseptically. So for this we will sterilize the nichrome wire loop. So sterilize this way, let it cool. Now we require very minute amount of the microbial culture, and we will transfer in the central part of the cover slip. Okay, so now this way sterilizing of the culture tube, dip the loop, close it. Now culture is there, just put minute drop of culture over it. We sterilize after use this nichrome wire loop, keep it aside, now we don't need it, put the culture tube back. So you can see drop of the culture medium is there in the central part. Now the glass slide which is having the cavity in central part, right. So I have marked this glass slide. So now this groove part or the concave part, I will invert this slide, right. So the groove part will be in bottom side, and I will put this glass slide in this way, right. So the petroleum jelly that we have applied to the cover slip, now that will stick to the glass slide, and that will fix the cover slip with the glass slide, and this glass slide is having a cavity. So now we will invert this glass slide like this, right. So now you can see that the drop is there which is hanging from the cover slip into the cavity part of the glass slide. Our slide is ready for the observation, right. So now you have to use microscope and then mount this slide, focus under the desired objective lens, and adjust the illumination also to have the better clarity of the motility of the organism that is present in this sample, right. You can see whether the organisms are motile or non-motile. We can also differentiate the Brownian motion, right. So that part is to be observed. So this is all about the hanging drop technique.